Small updates be my number be but Kotoko the management of Kotoko the IMC at a list of 8 people I bet you are more confirmed say they are the added members to the Kumasi Asante Kotoko communication team no. I mean can I mention say and upon our reports nearby and I'm saying I'm for a catch and a person Kotoko ama Safuduku di adwuma na to because Safuduku was on our politicians or a politician or NDC Ashanti regional secretary no but on fan adwuma ento Safuduku en resign nemum no say no mpanyifo appoint new 8 members at the Omabeka the communication team of Kumasi Asante Kotoko no home. This is to basically primarily ensure that Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters Ebeba Stadium. So it is about supporters mobilization to Kumasi Asante Kotoko matches. And bibi as a Kotoko assisa PR no still remains Safuduku Esquire. It's a moma yenshan so ewo home. So over the list no your known faces and known names because of known names I wouldn't need a con a known name. Yep, Nidako is a known name and Chumberma is also a known name, but it didn't be a very full frama and metro lights on it for you. I'm in for list no a real quick na who the echo. So it is a new 8-member communication team. Set Nidako. Oma beka ho with Safuduku. They are going to work under the communication team is headed by Safuduku. So Safuduku still in charge. Omo ebe she Safuduku as Nidako. Number 1, number 2, a dual champion of Fedu ni mo Fedua. Ubube akese. And number 3 near George Forcing. Number 4 near Anthony Chumberma. Yenina yenim Chum. The world known Chum. And number 5 near Akosa, Kwame Akosa no edwuma open so many more other so ha. And there is a new guy Prince Seki Alimu. So eka home. And number 7 Ransford Obama and so eka home. And yewo number 8 Emmanuel Esiedu. Emmanuel Esiedu eka home. We say enye Emmanuel Esiedu Fatilo but Emmanuel Esiedu meaning yes Emmanuel Esiedu. I don't know.